2 pieces of fabric in one hoop, January pattern 2021, kitchen garden scene. Cut 2 pieces of fabric. I'm using cotton in 2 colors, white and mint. At first I'm placing the main fabric in the hoop. I'm creating the tension, pulling it from all sides. Tighten the screw and place on the image for transfer. I drew the image on the iPad, app, Procreate. Now I'm tracing the lines onto fabric, using Pilot Frixion Point Heat Erasable pen. All lines traced, I'm getting the fabric out of the hoop, placing the second one at the desired spot. Instead of filling the kitchen cabinets with stitches, I'm using the mint fabric. So I'm touching it with pins and needles, and placing both pieces of fabric into the hoop. Then I create the tension is the most important part. I can see the lines of design through the fabric, so I'll trace them to see them better. The next part of the process was the color choice. I selected them already while I was sketching, and was just picking the similar thread colors. This is a palette for the project. The tabletop is the element that will connect fabric. I'm making satin stitches coming through both layers of fabric. At some point you can move the pin needle to make sure you're securing both pieces of fabric in the right places. This way of joining 2 pieces will work for some designs where you can embroider element that connects them. And it's great if you don't have a sewing machine. Want to embroider this kitchen garden scene? Follow the link in the description to get the pattern. Or join my monthly pattern program on Patreon. You'll vote for the pattern theme, get new pattern each month, and have early access to my video and see behind the scenes content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.